British Rose, I found it after a failed relationship. Took the time out for myself and it just came to me. Very caring guy who loves me. Jesus Christ. Some people don't even know what is love. And that is right. Because enough people never get that feeling there yet. Somebody never make them feel secure yet. So when you're in love, disagreements are going to. So how are you willing for work and get past the disagreement? Because trust me, some people go through some things in their life and it's rough. Where a life-changing decision make and you still forgive that person then. It take a whole heap. A whole heap it take. I am married and been married 13 years. We've been together for 15 years, but I have my moments where I cannot stand him. And I show he cannot stand me, but we're not giving up. Jesus Christ, that's so. Oh, sweet, he come brush me like a mango. Oh, that sounds so sweet. Jesus Christ. On the ear? So do it sweet, say, I have a problem, I don't know how to accept love. And that is another thing too. Because people have a fear. I might get hurt by somebody already. And you say, boy, you're afraid. You're so scared. What you have to do? You have to give it a chance. Don't cry, cause it's over now. Don't cry, things are better now. I will give you everything you need. You can always count on me. Give it a chance. Kenny, what you say about love thing? Come talk to me, because you don't answer now, you know. Talk to me about love thing. What you say about love thing, you know? You ever been in love? You ever felt love? You ever given love? And how did you know that you was in love? Come talk to me. One thing you know is a woman is very vocal, you know. You're not letting everybody in your business, but you're vocal when you're ready. Say your thing. You're not alone. No, no, no. I know it's gonna hurt your heart again. And this I know. You can count on me, I'll be there as your friend. So give it all you got. I'm ball out like my name Sanchez. Paper. Me? Of course, I have been in love. Me in love right now. Right now, me in love. Love nice. I love hot. Remember, say here, Jonah Kelly tell us, love, if love so nice, tell me why it hurts so bad. Love nice. Love will make you feel like you're there on cloud 9. Like you're there in a moon. That's why I'm telling you, say, fuck pan hot. And it make you bawl. And go in your feelings and cry. Whoa! It make you all out. Kelly said she thinks she was in love there. She find out say it was spirit tech. Sometimes I might all gas or running belly. Remember, say love will just make you just a smile randomly from you to your out there, so you smile. You just a smile about it, so. Yeah, but love come with respect still. Remember, love come with respect, you know. Love come with respect, because we have to have respect for a person if we really love them or be in love with them. Because some people, you can't love everybody, but you only can be in love with one person. You can't be in love with 2 and 3 persons. You only can be in love with one person. So when you hear a person tell a man tell a woman say, I'm in love with you, because remember, you know, enough man not show them emotions like, oh, me can't talk freely and express and say, baby, I'm in love with you. Are you want there with me? I want no more woman. are you. Richie down the butterfly thing they still the boat. If the butterfly thing them the boat, I don't really see butterfly again like that, you know. But some bubbles coming in your belly. See it? Some weight name they coming in your belly. So a lot of people say them love, but them don't really respect the person where them say them love. Because if you love a person and then you don't respect them. Like, come on, we go talk about it. Respect is a thing where you have to respect your partner. You have a woman and you respect her. When I say respect her, you try to protect her from everything. And when I say protect her, you protect her from embarrassment, you protect her from disaster, you protect her from... Yes, a man can love two women, but him can be in love with one. Him can't have the same feeling for the two women them. See, some man express themselves with gifts, and I say I saw him show him love. But me is a man where I know say me in love with a woman. Me not a limit when time it come on to. Like me not for one day me for do something for her. If you have got one day if you have got to do something for a woman, you're not in love with her. You don't really want certain ties. You hear me say the butterfly them there, that bubbles me. Kimali said me for ask, would you rather respect or loyalty? We not gonna know if people loyal. We can't know if people loyal. Me can't answer that question there. We cannot know if somebody is loyal. How you know if somebody is loyal? And when shit hit the fan. And when you buck your foot. And them time they know about loyalty. Because a person will say them love your butt. But loyalty, because denial is another thing where mash up a whole heap of people, you know. Denial. Some people know what it is from day one, but they're living in denial. So how would you know if you're in love with one? Then you have the feeling where you have the same feeling towards. Alright. A man will have 2 and 3 women. One of them, like as him see her, him have a high nature fear, him just want to tear off her clothes. And go on with her some whole heap away. While him have a next one where they're in her yard where she not too into certain things and him a try get some things out of her and she just stuck up it now, come out. So it's like that one you're willing for just take any risk with him. So she give him the hide the way him look for from the one in yard. So each time him get the hide from the one in yard, him go home, go try practice from the one in yard. The one I wrote, Jim the hide in and him go road and I say, John, my wife. You know, so we want to try some new things. And we want to try this and we want to try that. And she said, me ain't have something there now. Me ain't have something there. And she just shut down everything. She just shut down everything. So each time him a try go into her, she a push him back over out the road. She a push him back. So certain conversation I figure have. A man will love a woman for her brain, you know. While the next man love a woman because of the style that she give him. She can turn on it, she can twist on it. So the sexual attraction we have to her. See, him have the sexual attraction the way him have to her. Enough man come home with all a scent. Because him smell it on a woman and him say me that love that scent upon him wife. And you know the wife don't have problem with him and say a girl yard him go. Him smell it, you know, not necessarily say a bun him go give her, you know. A woman just pass and have a fragrance and it's smell good. It smells so good that him want to feel woman. When him and her go out, people are look on her and say, what that she wearing? So him asks that woman the way just walk past and say, miss, could I ask you a question, please? Could you tell me what brand perfume is that? And she tell him one long name. And him go in him phone and say, could you type it in here for me, please? And him go look for it for him wife. And when him bring it, go give the wife. Because him wants the wife not do nothing more than cause a big war and big problem. How you gonna smell this pan? How you gonna smell this pan? Right away, you shut down. So him just know him have him next girl. When him have him next girl, him just buy it for him next girl. Why you think that some man, everything when him buy, for him out the road, girl, him buy it for him woman a yard? Because him want the woman a yard smell exactly like the woman a road. Him want get a something from the woman a yard. Him want everything when him get out the road in a yard. And now get it. Remember them always until I say, man sex like that. A man will show you who him want indirectly. Even though him don't post him woman, the chemistry with him and that woman they have. Remember this, you know. Enough woman, when they just meet, them and the man used to have a nice fun relationship. But from children coming and play now, them no remember how to have fun again. Them no remember how to do this. Everybody just take up work. And they work and work and work. You have to try to get back the things that will make the relationship nice. You know, like a computer, where after a while it need memory. And after a while you have to update your phone. Like you have the phone and you have to update and you have to do this and you have to do that. So you have to update the relationship. You have to refresh it. Because after a while you have to refresh back the one of the things then. So you now can get back 20 years. But you just do some things where similar to the 20 years and make the thing work. RJ Muma, good afternoon. You hide my pitney from me. And that you do, I'll know me can't hold a vibes with the pitney. Wicked. All I do is just have the pitney and put him on social media and I show off. And I make me can't see my son. Stop hiding my son from me. Wicked. Stop hiding my son. More of my pitney. Big weekend, me have my pitney for a bar. And me a run and him a run me down and me a run him down. And we are going and I can't get me see my pitney. Free up me out. And we ask a man call me bank man. People, when you're there with somebody and you have the feeling there with them, it's nice. It's nice, bad. But you have to want that something they feed work. Remember, you know, a girl, only thing she have about her, some girl only thing them have about them. Them gag reflex is great. Them short is excellent. Them know how to stop them breath and some whole heap of something. Them have something about them where them are pro upon that. But everything else otherwise from it's nothing. Them not have nothing. And I like say, y'all complain about your price. And look on them when them go do them here at other place. You not go hear them a complain because them not go complain to you. Them go say them love it. Down there so. Them know say you do the right thing and you can do here good enough. Them know you can do here good. Them know you can do here good. But you, them not like spend them money with you, you know. Them not like you do them here for free. What you just want to come and say? Maybe they're here for you free, man. Maybe they're here for you free. Them just want you free. But once you tell them, say, you want $5,000 for do a year, them say, I want to say, sure she. I know that you can do here like that, but yet still, you still go back when your money short, you know. But when you have the right money, you know. That's why I say I don't want nobody come and tell me about we Jamaicans we support each other. Certain people support under disguise. Certain people. But the one them will feel like I feed them shit at the ingredients in a tasty spatty and them are they act like and go on like. Them are they act like and go on like. Enough things we know, you know. Enough boy we hear talk bad boy and tell promoters in a book, you know. And we can call out them name, you know. But hear me do my thing. When a boy talk bad about me and tell a promoter don't book me. Me just wait till me see him. Me just wait till me see him. And when him come and go on like Richie Ray this, I just tell him about the deepest part of him mother and him sister, them and him brother, them and everybody. Because he try to stop Missy and Puffy and Peely one. And then you have a wonder, start how Richie deal with me so, and then I just tell you what you do. Because you now go come try smile with me and then try to take on my own. You hear me say? And that means sure about paper. I'm telling you this. You have to tell people your mind. I'm not response to who. Don't bother go like you want to do business with other people and then come friend out my thing. Or I'm going to friend your friend them. I'm going to friend your people them. Deal with me like a business. And anyway you deal with me, I deal with you back. Anyway you deal with me, I deal with you back. Because me the man of energy me deal with. Because remember say, you can't know if people real until them show you who them is. You can't know if people real until them show you who them is. Everybody have them type. Me a layer, you know. Everybody have them type. So when me hear Queenie say, I cannot be everybody cup of tea because I'm not a mug. Come like she not even know when she said that something there. When she said that something there, you have to look into it. Don't look at the messenger, just look at the message and pay close attention to the message. I cannot be everybody cup of tea because I'm not a mug. That sound goodie, but you a Queenie say it, people would think say, Queenie a mad woman. Because she said that. Well, sometimes mad people say the right things, them, you know. Sometimes mad people say the right things, them. We Jamaicans hold back with one another all the while. That's why I always tell everybody where I sell. Don't worry about who you know buying something from you. And who not know you are interested in your goods you have to deal with. Because somehow you look for some name brand people come buy from you. And then I look on the little man who say, I'm interested in that bag you have there. I'm interested in that top. I'm interested in that shoes that you have there. And you look and I say, then you can buy this. Don't you ever judge people when doing business. Not for we business people hold back ourselves and then blame people say people are fight with. Remember how we Jamaicans there any time of night we text people. Once we say we are look something and we see a site, we are going to come on it and we are going to DM you and we are going to see a number on it and we are going to call you. Don't bother come tell we about you don't see the time of the night. The time of the night as long as we are Jamaican, you're supposed to ready to do a sale. You're supposed to ready to do a sale. Because such Jamaican thing go. We live and get to and we can call Miss Brown out our shop at any time and say we want pound and half of sugar, or we want quarter pound of saltfish, or we want a tin of mackerel. Miss Brown shop ever open, as long as Miss Brown answer, you're going to get served. So as long as you reply, if you tell me, say, you see the time of the night, move your you have to come sell me, or move your allow me to tell. As long as you answer, you have to sell me. You have to chat to me. And that me know. You have to sell me. And that me sure about. From you willing to come on and come say, do you see the time? And you know what time it is? Yes, and time for you sell me. Time for you sell me. May have some question and I'm going to answer them. I have tried to support Jamaicans. Wait there. I have tried. Customer service sometimes is horrible, and that is true. And that is true. Remember, you know, and all of us that on this social media, yeah, grew up going to supermarkets. A corner shop we used to. Miss Brown, Miss Gwen, and some other people we have corner shop. So, through in a social media era now, you are going to come act like and go on like. Remember, say, if you check online stores, you know, when you go on Amazon and say you're going to buy something or you go on any website, don't you go there any time of the week? As long as you go, some of them have where you want, they choose where you want, you use your card and pay for it. Then no so Jamaican something for go. Allow me and tell. Allow. Once you go on Gucci, and you go on, and like them tell us them lock. Them never tell us them lock yet. Gucci no lock online. You buy it on Sunday, and Monday deliver out. And you say that you reach your yard in a certain time. Them business no stop.